Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ban on the Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve ban on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Picsart and you can click here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.